You will learn the C# language through test cases. As part of the course, you will create a project named Test Cases, where you will organize the code from the lectures into test cases represented by classes. All test cases will be executed from the run static method in the list of test cases CS file. Throughout the course, you will follow the namespaces used in the lecture code to create the corresponding file structure. This approach will help you practice organizing and managing code in a structured and logical way. Each test case will be placed within the test cases, examples namespace and categorized into specific sections based on the topic or functionality being tested. This structure helps you organize test cases logically, making them easier to locate and manage as your project grows. Almost every lecture provides program code as text with additional comments. To test the code, you will need to create a test case in the Test Cases project, following the appropriate file structure based on the namespace. Each test case has a namespace that defines the file structure. For example, the namespace test cases examples language means that the class file, test case, should be located in the Test Cases project inside the examples/language folder structure. The namespace reflects the file organization, so you need to create the corresponding folders to keep the project structured and organized. The class name represents the name of the class file. We will use plural forms of topics like console, string, object, etc. for namespace names in the Test Cases project. This convention is necessary because using a singular form that matches a reserved keyword or built-in .NET Framework class name will cause a compilation error. By adopting this approach, we avoid naming conflicts and ensure that our code compiles without issues. The following example shows that the file name is cleardemo1.cs, located in the test cases/examples consoles folder structure, which corresponds to the namespace. Each test case is numbered because some lectures may demonstrate multiple test cases for one topic. The name of the class file typically consists of the topic name, followed by the demo suffix and a number.